Good morning, children. This is Shashi here, and today we are going to start a new chapter, that is factors and multiples. This is your fourth chapter. We are going to begin today. Okay, factors and multiples. Little bit idea you must be having, something you must have studied in class 4 also. Okay, now but we'll discuss it in detail. Factors and multiples. So here is your exercise 1. Exercise 1. What is the question? Find find the first 10 multiples of each of the following pairs of numbers. Then list the common multiples. Okay? So we'll study, first of all we'll study what are the multiples. Then we'll study what are the common multiples. Okay? First of all we have to know what are multiples. So as you know, table of you, all of you must have learnt in class 4 also, and in the last class also I took the oral test. Some of you were there online, wasn't it? And I took your oral test also. So table is very essential, very important for you. Okay, you should know up to 20, at least up to 20 you must know. Okay, now today we are going to discuss what are the multiples and what are the common multiples. Okay, so here we are going to discuss multiples and common multiples. Okay, suppose if I'll ask you multiples of 4. Okay, what I'll ask you, multiples of 4. Okay, so multiples of 4, if I'll ask you what are the multiples of 4, then simply multiple is nothing but table. So 4, 8, 12, 16, then 20, then 24, then 28, then 32, then 36, then 40. Okay, these are the multiples. Can you see? All are, this is the table. Okay, so table is only the multiple. Okay, so in the table of 4 we get 8, so 8 is the multiple of 4. Okay, if I'll ask you 12, 12 comes in the table of 4, so 12 is the multiple of 4. Okay, then 32, 32 is it multiple of 4? Is it multiple of 4? Yes, 32 comes in the table of 4, so 32 is multiple of 4. Okay, if I'll ask you that 33, 33 is it the multiple of 4? Can you see a 33 in the table of 4? 33 doesn't come in the table of 4, so this is not multiple of 4. Okay, so which will come in the table, that will be the multiple. Got it? That will be the multiple. Now, so 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 all are what? Multiple of 4. If I'll ask you, tell me first 3 multiples of 4. What I'm asking? First 3 multiples of 4. So we have to see. This is the first one, 4 first, 8 second, third, 12. Okay, so these are the first 3 multiples of 4. If I'll ask you, write first 5 multiples of 4. So what will be the first 5 multiples? So 4, 8, 12, then 16 and 20. Can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, can you see here? This one is the first one, this one is the second one, this one is the third one, this one 16 is the fourth one, and 20 is the fifth one. So first 5 multiple of 4 is what? 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. Got it? In the same way, if I'll ask you first 8 multiples of 4, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So up to which number we have got? up to 32. So up to 4 to 32 all are what? Multiples of 4. First 8 multiples of 4. Okay. Now if I'll ask you, write the first 3 multiples of 5. So first 3 multiples, 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 5 2 is 10, then 5 3 is 15. 5 3 is 15. So up to 3 only we have to write. First 3 I am asking, so up to 3. If I'll ask you first 4 multiple of 5, then up to 20. 5 4 is 20. Okay. So these are the multiples. This we call as multiples. Okay. Now I'll give you another number. Okay. Now let's say write first 5 multiples of 3. First 5 multiples of 3. So first 5 multiples of 3, what will be there? 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, and 3 5 is 15. First 5 multiples. So up to first 5 table will write. Okay. Then I'll ask you, write first 5 multiples of 4. Then first 5 multiples of 4. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20. Okay. So we have written here first 5 multiples of 3 up to 15, then first 5 multiples of 4 up to 20. Okay. Now if I'll ask you common multiple, what I'll ask you? Common multiple. Okay. What I'm telling you? Common multiple. Common means which we are getting in both. Can you find here anything common? Means in the multiple of 3 also we are getting, and multiple of 4. 3, are we getting 3 in the multiple of 4? No. 6, are we getting 6 in the multiple of 4? No. 9, are we getting multiple of 9 in the multiple of 4? No. 12, are we getting 12 in the multiple of 4? Yes, we are getting 12 here also in the multiple of 3 and in the multiple of 4, both. Okay. So these 12 is common. Common means we are getting in both. So common multiple, what we'll write here? Common multiple of 3 and 4 is equal to 12. Now have you understood this one? Multiple and common multiple. Multiple means we'll write the table. Common multiples we'll see in both numbers table which one is coming in both. That will be called as what? That will be called as common multiple. So what is common multiple here? 12. 12 we are getting in both. Have you understood this one? Okay. Now come to the exercise. Exercise 1. Okay. Question number 1A. What is the question? Find the first 10 multiples. 10 multiples, okay, of each of the following pairs of numbers. Then list the common multiple. Okay. First 10 multiples of which number? 4 and 5. Can you see here? 4 and 5. So what we'll write? We'll write here multiple of, what we'll write? Multiple of 4. Multiple of 4. Multiple of 4. How many multiples? 10 multiples, no? So up to 10 we'll write. So 4, 8, 12, then 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, then 24, then 28, then 32, then 36, then 40. 4 tens of 40. 10 multiples we have written. Okay. Then what they are telling? Multiple of 5 also. Can you see here in the question, multiple of 5, 4 and 5. So 4 we have written. Now we'll write multiple of, what we'll write? Multiple, don't go into the handwriting, okay. So we'll write here multiple of 5. Multiple of 5. How many? 10 multiples they are asking. So we'll write up to 10. 5, 10, 15, then 20, then 24, then, oh sorry, not 24, it's 25. Okay, then 30, then 35, then 40, then 45, then 50. 5 tens are 50. So 10 multiples of 5 we have written. Okay, 10 multiples of 5 we have written up to 40, and 10 multiples of 5 we have written up to 50. Okay, now common multiple we have to write. What we have to write? Common multiple. So we'll write here common multiple. Okay, common multiple. So in shortcut common multiple, in shortcuts we will write C for common, M for multiple, common multiple. So can you see anything here common in both, which we are getting in both? 4. Are we getting in the table of 5? 4? No. 8. Are we getting in the table of 5? 8? No. 12. Are we getting in the table of 5? No. 16. 16 also we are not getting. 20. Look at here, 20. 20 we are getting in multiple of 4 also. 20 is multiple of 4 also, and 20 is multiple of 5 also. 4 5 is 20, 5 4 is 20. We are getting 20 in both. Okay, any other number are we getting? Yes, look at here, 4 10 is 40, and here 5 8 is 40. So these two multiples we are getting common. Common means we are getting in both. So 20 and 40. This 20 and 40, 20 and 40 we are getting in both. In multiple of 4 also and in multiple of 5 also. So what will write? Common multiple. So common multiple, what will write? 20 and 40. Okay. So this is your answer, common multiple. So what was your question? What was your question? Just look at here. Find the first 10 multiples of each of the following. So 10 multiples we have find of 4. 4 10 is 40, up to 40 we have written 4 and 5. Okay. So 10 multiples of both 4 and 5 we have written. Then this one, what is written here? Look at here. Then list the common multiple. So list the common multiple. So common means which we are getting in both. So both 20 and 40 we are getting in both. So 20 and 40 we are getting in both. So we have written. Okay. I hope this is clear to you. What is multiple? What is common multiple? Okay. So you can do the question number 1, rest of the part. So question number 1 A I have done for you, and question number B and C you have to do. Okay. Then tomorrow we'll discuss factor and common factor. Got it? So see you tomorrow in the next class. Thank you.